Got a nice box here from ANS Gear.com. For those of you into self-defense. They've got a lot of paintball gear. Some of it can fire PepperBalls. This is great, you guys are looking at the box. Cartridges there to make the gun work. Some PepperBalls. A lot of people have been watching all the videos of police violence and overuse of force and riots and just in general looking for some quote-unquote non-lethal self-defense. Just make these paintball guns that shoot rubber and other non-lethal things here. This is the first strike pistol. In black and coyote tan. Yeah. Something to have on the homestead for self-defense, peace of mind. On the farm, it's always a good idea. Just in case, you know, if you live out in the boonies and have two-legged and four-legged creatures you'd like to keep away from your farm. There are different models and makes on different sites. Yeah, if you do an internet search.